The terminology of the law calls this bombing range the property of the king. That means the English government. It means these bureaucrats in the Air Ministry, to whom Wales is a region on the map, who know nothing at all of the culture and language of Wales, but will desecrate our sanctuaries like a dog raising its hind leg at an altar. But there is another aspect to this trial that gives it special importance. Everywhere in Europe today, we see governments asserting that they are above the moral law of God, that they recognize no other law but the will of the government. They deny that they can be challenged by any code of morals, and they demand the absolute obedience of men. Now that is atheism. It is the denial of God, of God's law. It is the repudiation of the entire Christian tradition of Europe, and it is the beginning of the reign of chaos.